People don't regret losing you because you begged. They regret it when you go quiet. Silence hits like a mirror. It forces them to face the truth they were running from. When you stop reacting, they start replaying every moment they took you for granted. When you pull back, they feel the loss of the comfort you gave. When you choose peace, they feel the damage they caused. Here are 7 silent moves that make people regret hurting you without you saying a word. 1. You see everything but react to nothing. Nothing scares a guilty person more than your calm silence. Your no reaction exposes them louder than any anger ever could. You punish them by not giving them the show they wanted. Watching without reacting, that's real control. 2. You don't argue, you just detach. Detachment is a language toxic people don't get. Your silence tells them you're done explaining what they already know. You don't win by fighting, you win by not playing. When you detach, they finally feel the emptiness they created. 3. You choose distance over drama. Distance shows more truth than confrontation ever will. You confuse them the moment you cut off their access. Silence plus distance equals power. When you stop entertaining chaos, you become untouchable. 4. You stay cool when they expect an explosion. Your calm exposes how unstable they are. Controlled kindness isn't weakness, it's power.
When you respond with grace, their guilt gets louder than your words. Your silence and kindness together become the lesson they weren't ready for.
You let karma handle it. You don't chase revenge, you trust the timing. People drown in the mess they create. Your silence lets karma speak for you. Life teaches them the lesson. You stop wasting your energy. You choose peace over people-pleasing. Control only works when you need their approval. The moment you choose peace, they lose access to your energy. You stop trying to please them, and suddenly they panic. Peace is the boundary that exposes everyone's true intentions. You let them wonder what changed. Mystery hits harder than confrontation. You stop explaining, and they start regretting. Your silence becomes the closure they never wanted. You become unreadable, and that's what breaks them. Ignoring hurts, but silence hits different. People don't fear being exposed, they fear being ignored. Your silence is when they finally face the consequences of their actions. When you walk away quietly, regret hits them loud. People don't regret losing you when you yell, they regret it when you finally go silent. Stay cool, stay private, stay out of reach for those who took you for granted. If this hit you, drop your favorite line below and subscribe to Mindful Ways, where healing turns into power and silence becomes your strongest comeback.